Alright, let's get real about Eroxon Gel. If you've stumbled across ads or reviews and wondered, does this actually work? You're not alone. I'm here to give you the straight facts. No hype, no awkwardness. So, what is Eroxon Gel anyway? Eroxon is a topical gel marketed to help with male performance, specifically for guys dealing with erectile difficulties. Unlike pills or supplements, you apply this gel directly to the skin. Sounds easy, but does it deliver? Let's break down how it's supposed to work. Eroxon claims its unique formula increases blood flow right where you need it, fast. You squeeze out a small amount, apply it to the area, wait for a couple of minutes, and supposedly, you're good to go. There's no medication inside, so it's not a drug. It's more like a physical boost. Now let's talk about the experience. The gel itself is clear, non-sticky, and has a cooling sensation when you put it on. Most guys say it's comfortable and doesn't have a strong smell, which is a relief. But here's the thing. Results can vary. For some, it works almost instantly, bringing a noticeable improvement. For others, the effect is mild or takes a bit longer. And yes, there are a few who felt no difference at all. How do you use it? Super simple. Make sure you're clean and dry, squeeze out a pea-sized amount, and gently massage it in. Wait about a minute or two before any action. That's it. No mess, no fuss. Now let's talk side effects. Most users report no major issues, just a slight tingling or cool feeling at first, which usually fades quickly. But if you have very sensitive skin, you might notice some irritation or redness. If that happens, definitely stop using it and talk to your doctor. So, who is Eroxon really for? I'd say it's best for guys looking for a fast, non-pill option to boost bedroom confidence, without prescriptions or awkward pharmacy visits. But remember, it's not a miracle worker. If you're dealing with ongoing or severe issues, make sure to talk to a healthcare pro. To wrap up, Eroxon Gel is easy to use and could be a quick fix for some guys. It's not magic, but it might be worth a try if you want something straightforward and discreet. Just always put your health and safety first. If you've tried Eroxon, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more honest reviews, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.